Okay, hello, how are you? Um, this is the fourth class that we are going to have. If you notice, maybe I'm so sorry for the sound that is like a beep, like it's like a buzz that is constantly. I don't have way to fix that because it's a problem from the microphone. So I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so go ahead in the lesson. Okay, today is more a vocabulary lesson and we have some listenings. So we are going to do it fast. Vamos a hacer esto un poco rápido, es un poco vocabulario y algunos listenings. So let's start with this, the conversation model. Okay, pay attention, please. It says read and listen to someone ask for and get directions. Esto es para preguntar por direcciones y obtenerlas.
Read and listen to someone ask for and get directions.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the National Bank.
The National Bank? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 205 Holly Avenue.
Oh, walk to the corner of First and Holly. It's right around the corner, across from the museum.
Thank you.
Or, if you don't know,
The National Bank? I'm sorry, I'm not from around here.
Thanks anyway.
Okay, the first part is when you can give a directions. If you notice the last lesson, two lessons ago, we learned how to give directions. Hemos aprendido cómo dar direcciones. For that was the location of places. Para eso fue, the preposition of places. Para eso fueron las preposiciones de tiempo. Right? Now, we are going to use this in order to give a direction and this in order to say that you don't know about the direction. Okay, let's do the reading and intonation practice.
listen again and repeat in the pauses. Then practice the conversation model with a partner.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the National Bank.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the National Bank.
The National Bank? Do you know the address?
The National Bank. Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 205 Holly Avenue.
It's 205 Holly Avenue. Remember that we use this O instead of 0 when we are talking about numbers or directions, okay?
Oh, walk to the corner of First and Holly. It's right around the corner, across from the museum.
Oh, walk to the corner of First and Holly. It's right around the corner across from the museum.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The National Bank? I'm sorry, I'm not from around here.
The National Bank, I'm sorry, I'm not from around here. This is just for denied something.
Thanks anyway.
Thanks anyway. The meaning of anyway is de cualquier forma. Okay? Okay, this is your first activity. You are going to record yourself reading this. Se van a grabar leyendo esto. Su primera actividad. Okay? Now, we have the vocabulary. The vocabulary is about to give directions. Okay? We have locations and we have directions. What is the difference between those? The difference is that location is talking about some place and a specific place, like a museum, a movie theater, a square, a park. Where is the park? Where is the pharmacy? What is the museum? Okay, and directions is talking about address. How do I get to the I don't know, La Madrid Street, or how do I get to Domingo Paz Avenue or something like that? Okay. Okay, let's check.
Read and listen. Locations. Where is the...
It's on the right side of the street.
It's across from the park.
It's down the street from the museum.
It's around the corner from the theater.
It's between Main Street and Mercer Avenue.
Directions. How do I get to the...
Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the light. Turn left on King Street.
Go 2 blocks and turn right. Walk 2 blocks and turn right. Drive 2 blocks and turn right.
Go to the corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue. Walk to the corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue. Drive to the corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue.
Now listen again and repeat in the pauses.
Okay, let's check this.
It's on the right side of the street.
It's on the right side of the street. Está al lado derecho de la calle. On the right side. Next one.
It's across from the park.
It's across from the park. Here's the park. It's across from the
It's
park.
down the street from the museum.
It's down the street from the museum. Okay. It's across from the park. Está al frente cruzando desde el parque. El parque es nuestro punto de inicio. Ok. It's down the street from the museum. Es bajando la calle desde el museo. Ok. Recordemos que puede ser hacia el otro lado también, ¿cierto? Es dependiendo de la ubicación en la cual miremos.
It's around the corner from the theater.
It's around the corner from the theater. Is around the corner. This is the theater. Is around the corner. Es a la vuelta de la esquina desde el teatro.
It's between Main Street and Mercer Avenue.
Okay, it's between Main Street and Mercer Avenue. It's between this and this. Está entre esta y esta calle. Ok, esta calle y esta avenida.
Turn left at the corner. At the light. Turn left on King Street.
Okay, turn left at the corner. This is the corner. Doblar a la izquierda en la esquina. Corner, esquina. Turn left at the light. Doblar a la izquierda en el semáforo. Turn left on King Street. Doblar a la izquierda en la calle King. Okay, let's continue.
Go 2 blocks and turn right.
Go 2 blocks and turn right. 2 blocks. 1 block, 2 block. Una cuadra, 2 cuadras. Blocks, cuadras. Y luego doblar a la derecha.
Walk 2 blocks and turn right.
Walk 2 blocks and turn right.
Drive 2 blocks and turn right.
Drive 2 blocks and turn right. Es lo mismo.
Go to the
Solamente
corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue.
go to the corner of Smith Street and Bond Avenue. Ve a la esquina de la calle Smith y la avenida Bond. In this case, those are just imperatives, instructions. Estos son imperativos, instrucciones. Simplemente es eso. Okay? Your second activity then. Your second activity, you are going to record yourself doing this one. Also, this vocabulary. Okay? Okay, now we are going to listen for locations. Listen to conversation about places. Write the number of each place in a box on the map. Be careful, there are 3 places but 7 boxes. Vamos a escuchar las conversaciones y luego vamos a escribir un número de cada lugar en el cuadro del mapa. Con cuidado, hay 3 lugares, pero hay 7 cajas. You are here. It's supposed that you are here. Se supone que están aquí, ¿ok? Listen, please.
Listen to the conversations about places. Write the number of each place in a box on the map. Be careful. There are 3 places, but 7 boxes. Conversation 1.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the city center. Do you know where that is?
The city center. Let me think. Oh, sure, go straight down the street.
Pacific Street?
That's right. Then turn right on Atlantic.
Right on Atlantic.
Then go to the corner of Indian and Atlantic. The city center is on the right side of the street. You can't miss it.
Thanks.
Conversation 2.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the art museum.
Actually, I'm not from around here. But I think that's it, right across the street.
Oh, right, I see it now. Thanks.
Conversation 3.
Ma'am, excuse me? I'm looking for the Clooney Theater.
The Clooney Theater? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 600 Hudson Street.
600 Hudson Street? Oh, yeah, I know where that is. Walk straight down Bay 1 block, then turn left on Adriatic. Walk to the corner of Hudson and turn left. It's right there on the corner.
Okay, this is your first activity. Es su tercera actividad, este ejercicio. Let's continue then. We are going to play this video. Is rising intonation to confirm information. Okay, just for your information. Let's check.
Rising intonation to confirm information. We use rising intonation to confirm or check information. In rising intonation, the voice goes up at the end of the sentence. To confirm your understanding, say the word or phrase with rising intonation. Make your voice go up at the end. Listen.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the West Theater.
The West Theater? Listen again to the way the voice goes up at the end. The West Theater? Listen to these short conversations. The second speaker uses rising intonation to confirm information.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Art Museum.
The Art Museum?
Excuse me, where's Green Street?
Green Street?
Let's meet at the Film Center.
The Film Center?
Excuse me, I'm looking for 200 Bay Street.
200 Bay Street? Now listen to these short conversations. Repeat each response. Click on pause after each conversation.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Art Museum.
The Art Museum?
Excuse me, where's Green Street?
Green Street?
Let's meet at the Film Center.
The Film Center?
Excuse me, I'm looking for 200 Bay Street.
200 Bay Street?
Okay, this is just for your information and is rising intonation in order to confirm this information. Okay? Okay, and the last part of this video is going to be now you can express locations and give directions. Conversation activated. Use the vocabulary and the Piermont map, this map, to change the conversation model. Okay, and then change roles. This is not going to happen. Lo que vamos a hacer, vamos a utilizar este mapa para poder dar direcciones. You are here, están aquí. What are you going to do? You are going to do something like this conversation. Van a hacer algo como esta conversación, pero ampliada. Les voy a mostrar cómo está ampliada. Y me van a hacer 2 de estas conversaciones, ¿ok? En sus cuadernos. Let's check. Ok, this is the conversation that you're going to do. Esta es la conversación que van a hacer. Ya lo he recorrido hasta el lugar preciso.
Now, let's change the conversation model again. Don't stop. Ask about other locations. Say as much as you can.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the bookstore Millions of Books.
I'm sorry, I'm not from around here.
Oh, thanks anyway. Excuse me, I'm looking for the bookstore Millions of Books.
Millions of Books? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 57 Atlantic Avenue.
57 Atlantic Avenue. We're on Atlantic Avenue. That's down the street on the right.
Thanks. And what about the Mega Movie Theater? It's on Smith Street?
Smith Street. Don't walk there. Take the bus. The bus stop is down the street in front of the bank.
Thanks.
Okay. If you notice, there were two locations or two directions that the people are talking about. So you're going to do two conversations similar. Van a ser dos conversaciones similares. ¿Ok? Y ese va a ser su última tarea. Okay, that was all for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any doubt, as always, just tell me. I'm going to wait for this homework until tomorrow at 9 a.m. as always. So I hope that you enjoy it. It was my pleasure as always. Bye bye.